I'm here working on one of the lessons from my 14-week Irish Magic course, and I just wanted to share some pronunciations. So some of the words of magic and some of the pronunciations, how we might pronounce them in my modern Irish pronunciation dialect. So I thought it might be useful for people who are studying magic, Irish magic particularly, or Irish paganism generally. So from lesson 3, words of magic, we can look at some of the terminology and the definitions from the Irish law tracts, which are given by Fergus Kelly. And the first one is, it would have a H after the M there in modern Irish, and it still means like sharp or like sharpness or astuteness. And it's avantia or awantia, depending on your dialect. So avantia would be mine, and it means supernatural, cunning, or craft. So epe is the next one. And I haven't really been able to find a modern Irish version of that. It doesn't exist in modern Irish as far as I know. But I did wonder, and it could be completely off the wall, but there is a word which translates as epistle, but it literally means an inscription worn as a charm. So it's epistil in modern Irish, but epe is charm or spell, as given in probably Middle to Old Irish by Fergus Kelly. So felmus is enchantment, sorcery, a spell or a charm. And pishoka is sorcery, and this is where pishog comes from. And there's loads of different spellings of pishog. You'll see it as pishogacht, pishogra, pishog, pishok with a C. So the original term would be pishoka, which translates as sorcery. So some others are breacht, which is a spell, as in breacht nivnach, which would be a poisonous spell. So there is a slight roll on the oar. I'm not sure if that's like technically correct, but I know I always roll my oars, so that's what you're getting. So breacht is a spell. Malacht is a curse, and again we have that kind of hard CH in Irish, so malacht. Ashtinacht is a prophecy, that's ashtinacht. Cailleach is a very common one that we see because it's taken to mean a hag or a crone, and we have a goddess type entity, spirit figure on Cailleach Beara, but some people would not be pronouncing Cailleach correctly, so it's Cailleach, and again there's like kind of a roll or a softening on the L's, Cailleach. And it literally translates as veiled woman, which is interesting. So Shebra is a demon or a phantom or a supernatural being from the other world. Shebra. And then we have linked to Shebra, we have Anal Shevran. Sorry, that would be Anal Shevran, because there's a father on the A there. So Anal Shevran, which probably would translate as like supernatural breath, or possibly even demonic or phantom breath. So like me first thing in the morning. Anal Shevran, or Anal Dreachta is the magical breath. And that would be particularly relevant, I think, for the magical poetry and the battle poetry that was so common in the Irish tradition. So that's just a tiny slice of Irish language pronunciation for some of our words of magic. Of course, there's a lot more. There's a lot more to this course. There's a lot more to this lesson. So if you're interested, I will leave a link below in the description, and you can look up that 14-week Irish Magic course. And do subscribe to the channel for more pronunciation videos, and give it a like or a thumbs up if you liked it. Slán.